Obi means like your heart or your chest. You know what I'm saying? Like the place where I guess your strength comes from. You know what I'm saying? Your heart. And so yeah, so you put those two together and you get Gasia Mobi. Strengthen me or comfort me, console me. I think it kind of comes from the longer saying Shuku Gasia Mobi, which means like God strengthens me or God consoles me, right? And so that's the reason why I gave her that name, because the same way that she likes to strengthen and console and comfort people through her herbal healing and wellness practices, that is the same way that God comforts and strengthens her in order to be able to do that for people. So I thought Gasia Mobi is a perfect name for her. So the short version or nickname for that, or the nickname for Gasia Mobi is Gasi. And so yeah, that's basically what it means, Gasia Mobi, meaning to comfort.